Since early 2021 after the general elections, appeared before Makindye-based General Court Martial for trial after 4 of their counterparts were released on bail on 3rd April 2023. The judge advocating the court martial, Major Raphael Mugisha, who represented the state in this case, asked the court to allow an amendment of the charges against the suspects to put additional charges.
The accused persons were not only found with improvised devices, but they also detonated them. They had witnesses, and these explosives were indiscriminately thrown in different parts of the country. So the evidence my Lord Chairman and board members will disclose that they were not only possessing, but they had also put these explosives into action. We therefore pray that the charge sheet is amended to include count 1, section treachery under section 129A of the UPDF Act. And we do believe, my Lord Chairman and board members, that the amendment will not prejudice justice against the accused persons. We suffer.
Jamin Katana, George Musisi and Remy Bagenda, who are the lawyers of the suspects, challenged the submissions by the state, saying that they were unfair. Musisi said that the court was considering to amend the charges, whose maximum penalty is life sentence.
The state also surprised us by seeking an amendment and adding another charge, which fact we think is brought in bad faith, because these people have been in their custody for 2 years. You cannot start a trial and then bring a charge as serious as treachery, which attracts a death sentence on conviction. Our objections notwithstanding, even the amended charge was brought in such a shabby manner that the particulars didn't bring out the intended particulars as it is captured under the law.
Musisi further notes that the charges are unclear according to the Constitution as they apply to people in the forces.
Because to sustain such a charge, the person may have committed those alleged warlike activities, either being sponsored by a foreign force, or when it's part of UPDF or it's part of another force. So the particulars read to us did not disclose that which said force that these people were part of. So we objected that the charges were defective and this court should not go ahead to take plea, which was sustained. The court gave them 2 weeks and adjourned the matter to the 17th. We don't know what will happen on the 17th, whether they'll bring another charge or a third one, or even bring a witness.
The NUP supporters were remanded until 17th April 2023 in Kitalya and Luzira prisons. The suspects were arrested in Kalangala district in November 2020 while on the campaign trial of NUP presidential candidate Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Prosecution alleges that between November 2020 and May 2021 in the areas of Bale, Jinja, Kampala, Natete, Chireka Kawempe, the suspects were in possession of 13 pieces of explosive devices, which are ordinarily the monopoly of the defense forces. Joy Nabulo, Church of Uganda, Family TV, News.